Every day you wake up, you have one job: to be better than yesterday. So get out of the bed and move your body. As you start your morning, go for a walk or do some stretching. Stretching will help to get rid of any pain, stiffness, and excess fat that has accumulated in your body. After stretching, I grab a glass of Nutrishake. Let's have a look how to prepare it. Add 50 ml of water. This is Wellness Nutrishake by ORIFLAME. It has 3 protein sources: pea protein, whey protein and soy protein, and 3 fiber sources: rose hips, green apple and sugar beets. It has 3 flavors: natural strawberry, natural vanilla and natural mango banana flavor. It has no artificial color and no artificial preservatives. It is 100% vegan and gluten-free. So this product can be consumed by all. Add 1 scoop of this Nutrishake. I'm using strawberry flavor. 1/4 of an apple. Few slices of banana. And lastly, 100 ml of milk. You can use double-toned milk or almond milk as well. Now blend it well. It reduces hunger cravings and keeps you energetic for 8 to 10 hours. I have been using Nutrishake by ORIFLAME since a year now, and it has really helped me to stay healthy, as it reduces those untimely hunger cravings.